YouTube? It's Forever So Wild. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. I did get a couple requests on Instagram to do some infused strawberries, so that's what I'll be doing today. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna do the design yet. I don't know if I'll just be doing chocolate or Valentine's Day colors. I kind of did Valentine's Day colors last year, but I don't know if anybody wants to see that again. And guys, this is not a hole in my shirt. This is how the shirt is made. I don't know why it looks out. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. If you guys have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So now we're gonna start making the strawberries. I do have my strawberries here. They are already washed and dried, but I am making infused strawberries. So what you might want to do is grab a bowl. I have a glass bowl and I have some liquor. Don't judge me, y'all. This Crown Apple is all I had. I had Hennessy, Crown Apple, and some wine. I figured that this would be sweet in the strawberries. I did get a chance to make it to the liquor store because I wanted to get like a Patron or something like that, because I feel like I don't know, but this is apple crown is sweet, so you can use this. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strawberries, pour them in a bowl. This is optional. This is if you really want your strawberries to be really strong, then you can soak them in the liquor. Just kind of let them sit in there for about 15-20 minutes. But you can also skip. This is just completely optional. I'm going to do this for y'all because there may be somebody who wants to actually bite their strawberry and get tipsy off their strawberries. So I'm doing this for y'all. So I'm just going to take I'm gonna do 12. Let me see here. Okay, so I picked 12 strawberries out of my pack, and these are the strawberries. These strawberries are freaking huge. So now basically all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the liquor and just kind of pour it over the strawberries, like so. You don't have to fill it up to the top. You just want them to kind of have that taste. I'll probably just rotate these, some of them to the bottom. I'll kind of just like turn them around, like, let me see. Okay, I'll probably just like turn them around like this. They really just need the flavor and to kind of absorb. I'll probably just kind of turn them around like this. If you guys can see, I don't have too much liquor in here. I just have just enough because you don't need too much. And so while my strawberries are soaking in the liquor, I'm gonna melt my chocolate. I recommend 15 minutes the max. I've never soaked them longer than that. I don't know what will happen if you soak them too long, but I think that's enough. If you just need them to absorb. So I'm gonna melt my chocolate. I'm not gonna melt my chocolate on camera, guys, because I have videos on my page of exactly how I actually melt chocolate. I will put the link to the video in the description bar below, so if you want to know exactly. But I just don't want to be too repetitive. I don't want to just keep showing y'all the same thing and go over that unnecessary information. So I will put that in the link. Don't thumbs me down for that, because I feel like a lot of y'all be giving me thumbs down for stuff like that. But I don't want to be too just doing the same thing. So I use the same chocolates every time. Boom. These chocolates. These are the chocolates that I use. This is what I'm using for my dark chocolate. Okay. These are, excuse my broken nail, it just broke this morning. These are Great Value milk chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate that you want. You can buy Ghirardelli, you can buy chocolate bark, whatever, anything. This is what I use. You can use chocolate chips, absolutely. I had somebody ask me, would the chocolate chips melt? Yes, absolutely, they will melt, and they'll be good. Y'all know, for my red, I refuse to color red chocolate because it's just too much. So once again, these are red candy melts. Hopefully, yep, these are red candy melts. They're just red candy melts. You can buy these at Walmart. I buy these at Walmart. You can buy these at I believe Hobby Lobby and Michael's too, I believe. But Walmart, this is where I got these from, in Walmart. For today's video, I just bought pink too. Okay. Boom. These are just pink candy melts. Now, both of these taste just like vanilla. There's not no flavor. So how I melt my chocolate, because these are what I use to melt my chocolates, you guys. These for me are the best things to use because I like the handle and I like using plastic, and they're big enough if you have big strawberries. How I melt my chocolates, like I said, I'm not gonna do it on camera, so don't thumbs me down for that. I will pour since this is a larger bag, y'all, just keep in mind, this is not the normal size bag. This is like this is like, yeah, this is about 4 cups of chocolate. The normal bag probably has 2 cups of chocolate. See, this is the white chocolate I have, and this is the dark chocolate. As you can see, it's way bigger. So you can probably use half a bag, probably 2 scoops, 2 cups. I pour 2 cups. For these, I'll just use almost a whole bag. So if you're using chocolate chips, if you're using a small bag, you can use a whole bag. If you're using a big bag, you have the bag 2 cups. You're gonna take some shortening. Here is my shortening. You can use any brand shortening that you want. I buy this because it's cheap and it's great value brand. Okay. You're gonna take 2 scoops of shortening. You're gonna do bam, bam. 2 scoops of shortening. If it's still a little thick, you just add more shortening. You're gonna place this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Boom. Take it out the microwave, stir it up, put it in for another 30 seconds. Boom. A total of 60 seconds, and your chocolate should be melted flawlessly. I'm not gonna do it on camera once again because I've done it already. So I'm gonna melt my chocolate, you guys, and I'll be right back. And this is how your chocolate should look. If you follow those steps exactly, your chocolate should be melted flawlessly. Now get ready to melt my candy melts. I did want to say I didn't use the whole bag, you guys, because I'm only making 12 strawberries. I don't need all this chocolate. I don't even know why I melted all that dark chocolate. That's too much. But I use about 75% of the bag, so I just had this little bit left. Since candy melts melt a lot easier than, not faster than regular chocolate, you may get away with 1 scoop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use 1 scoop. That should be enough for candy melts because they're designed to melt a lot easier. If they're not melted all the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and add another scoop. So I'll be right back once this is melted. Guys, so I have all my chocolate melted and I have my strawberries dry. Basically, I just put the strawberries, after I took them out the liquor, I just set them on a paper towel just to let them dry. You do want to make sure the strawberries are dry. You cannot dip them while they are wet because they won't dip right. The chocolate will be sliding off the strawberries. So make sure that they're dry so they can actually stick. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put a toothpick inside of each and every one of my strawberries. And then I think that's it for now. I do have this board. It's just a cake board that I use. It's a flat surface that I like to use with my strawberries on. And it is covered with parchment paper. You need parchment paper so that way your strawberries do not stick. If you cannot put them on a plate, you cannot put them on foil, you have to use parchment paper or else they will stick. And stop whatever you're doing right now and subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this and much more. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in to the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and dipped all of my strawberries and I did put them in the refrigerator. I would suggest maybe like 15 or 20 minutes or until they are cold. Now I'm gonna go ahead and design the strawberries and then I'll come back once I am ready to go ahead and infuse them. Now what I have here is some edible luster dust, and I just picked this stuff up from my local cake supply store, and I mix it with lemon extract. Now with this, you don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too runny. You almost want to get it almost like a paint texture. You don't want it to really be able to drip off the brush, but you don't want it to be too thick. So you want it to be the texture as paint. And so basically I'm just going to like take my finger and flick it onto the strawberries, giving it like a gold splatter effect. I love this splatter design so much. I think I'm going to actually cover all of the strawberries in the design. Once again, like I said, this is just edible luster dust. You can get it from your local cake supply store. Amazon sells them as well. I mix mine with lemon extract, but you can always also mix it with water or vodka. Okay, what's going on, guys? It's actually the next day. I fell asleep last night because I got so tired, so I'm sorry about that. The video was a little all over the place last night. I was very tired. So I didn't tell you guys what sprinkles that I use for my strawberries. So basically I use this pink from this one. This is just some sprinkles that I got from Walmart a while ago. These came from my local cake supply store. These are just like some pink sprinkles. And then these are Wilton sprinkles. I got these from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't remember which one. And then this gold one, I used some of this gold from here. This came from Walmart. And this is actually the next day, y'all, like I said. So I broke another nail today, so don't mind that. I broke a nail this morning. So yeah. And basically I just took the crown apple and I poured it in a shot glass. And so the strawberries have been in the refrigerator overnight, so now we're gonna go ahead and dip it. And I got some infusers. I got these from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description bar below. So let's go ahead and infuse the strawberries and then we'll be all done. Okay guys, so these are the strawberries. They're all done. They look so freaking cute, and this technique that I did, guys, was so easy. Sorry if I was a little over the place. I kind of thought I had some designs wrote down, but I really just freestyled this. Just came up with stuff at the top of my head, and they actually turned out so cute. So now we're gonna go ahead and infuse them. This part is super easy. Basically you're gonna just take your little infuser here, and you're gonna pick up your liquor and you're just gonna squeeze it and release. Now it doesn't fill up completely, so it'll go more than half of the way. I don't know if you can see it all the way. It doesn't actually go completely, but it does fill up most of it. So basically what you'll do is you'll take this infuser and you'll stick it into the top of the strawberry. So once again, when you dip the when you infuse, you want to squeeze a tip and you want to put it in a liquor, and then you want to release, and then it'll automatically fill up like this. It goes in pretty easy, but you do have to put a little bit of pressure on it. So pretty much once you push it in, it'll go right in at the top. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and infuse all of the strawberries. As you can see, they look so cute, perfect for Valentine's Day, Sweeties Day, or any other special occasion. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Wilton edible glitter spray. I just love this stuff because I love the look that it gives the strawberries, and I'm just gonna spray the strawberries. Oh, this stuff it came out a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the strawberries to get them more of a shimmer effect. As you can tell, they make them look so shimmery and so pretty. I love this stuff. And this stuff is actually edible, so it's edible. And bam, there you have it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the strawberries into these little mini cupcake liners. I got these, you can get these at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, pretty much any of those places, but I normally get these from Walmart, and I'm using the gold ones. And also guys, I do want to say that I pretty much was able to do 12 infused strawberries, and this was like only about a shot of liquor. So if you guys I know like some liquor stores have like those little bottles where it's like a shot. You can actually do 12 you can infuse 12 strawberries off a shot of liquor, because I don't even think I had this full all the way, and I still have a little bit left to do one more. So you don't really need too much liquor to infuse the strawberries. Okay guys, so these are the final strawberries. As you can see, they turned out so freaking cute. I really love the gold splatter because it makes them just look so pretty, and with the gold cupcake liners, it's just everything. So these are it. These are the finished infused strawberries, you guys. Thank you guys once again for sticking with me through another tutorial, and if you have not, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about these strawberries. Are these cute or what? Because I love these. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.